So we'll just give Matthew a moment here to see if he can get it to connect. He had a lot of trouble in the previous fight getting it to actually pair up with his remote, but it is on, so 2, 1, fight. And off we go. And yep, Skyjacker got 2 inches off the ground. And now doesn't want to take off again. He's trying, but unfortunately, I don't know what's wrong with that quadcopter. It just cannot lift. There it goes. Now he's got some lift out of it. All right, so he's up in the air, flying around. It's very difficult to control these things, by the way. I used to have one of these. It's really hard to control them in such a small space. But Matthew doing a decent job of it. Here we go. All right, so he's got it under control. We'll see what he can do with it at this point. It's mostly just a fly on the wall. Oh, is he? Is he? No. Oh, yeah, now he's done. Now he's definitely done. Managed to take himself out. Hey, I'll give it to you. You held up for more than 8 seconds, so that's good. The win does go to Mini Drifter. Congratulations, Sam.